the age of 23, Pat received his AFP license with aviation within 3 years on the Embraer 125 regional jet. In 2013, Patrick became a captain on the Embraer 170/175 regional jets and has been with Republic Airways for the past 18 years. While working at the airlines, Patrick enrolled at the Tribuna Academy of Aviation Safety, run by Sean B. Tucker, who started competing in aerobatics in 2006 by soon after, Patrick transitioned his high-energy personality and developed a passion for commercial after purchasing his first during 2008. As you can see, Patrick is really enjoying his airplane running. Such as Brad Page, Skip Stewart, Julie Clark, and Debbie Green Hartman. For 5 years, Patrick continued to compete and work hard, placing top 10 in the national championship each and every time he the best entertainer and performer for past and future generations. He also loves mentoring many young and old. Extreme Flight represents a thrilling fusion of high-energy performance and innovation. They bring STEM-specific themes to air shows nationwide, enriching the experience for all. Now, after the show, we will meet Patrick by his airplane. And he would like to thank the sponsors for calling again. Hey, Patrick, how you doing up there?
I'm doing great.
You got it, buddy. Have fun. I don't know, everybody. You think he's enjoying flying this airplane? Patrick McAlee, live from the cockpit of the Blue Demon. There's high life. Patrick, you're having way too much fun up there. Extreme Flight 45 on YouTube Here he comes in from the left again. And the outside this will show what you can do when you have enough horsepower. He's got 230 of them up front, and he's using every one of them right now, too. Chicago and the Genesis Corporation. Now, I understand we're going to have a little excitement here, courtesy of Precision Exotics. Patrick McElwee has been challenged to a race. As you can see, he's off in the distance. Coming around, Precision Exotics is out there. Which one is going to be faster? Race is on, everybody. Here we go. Who's faster? Patrick McElwee and the Blue Demon? Or Precision Exotics? Well, so far, Patrick's got the lead. His airplane is a modified Pitts S1. He calls the Blue Demon. Features a high compression 230 horsepower wide-cone engine, custom propeller, and a 4-in-1 exhaust. Headers in St. Louis, Missouri. Now the car that was racing here was a 2018 Shelby GT500, 760 horsepower, almost about more than 3 times the horsepower of Patrick McElwee's airplane, which you see coming in for a landing here. The power costs $115,000. You want to find out more about driving an exotic car? Go see Precision Exotics. You can get in the driver's seat providing you have a good license for $100.